Hello, good morning, Madlang Bayan. Anyway, I'm on my way to Circuit Assembly in the version of with branch representative. Sa Tagalog Assembly Hall ito. Kaya samahan niyo ako. We are on our way to Circuit Assembly. Good morning. Today is Saturday, February 15, 2025. Okay, but anyway, we are on our way to the assembly hall. There you go. We're about to go, but let's play some music. Okay, this will take quite a while because it will be in the Norco assembly hall. That would be about 1.5 hours drive. All right, let's go, my friends. Today is Saturday, February 15. The time right now is 7:25 in the morning. February 15, 7:25 in the morning. Going to Norco Assembly Hall. That would be about 1.5 hours from now. So let's enjoy the ride with me.
That was not his point. Rather, he meant that we need to get rid of every unnecessary weight. This type of weight could hinder us and cause us to tire out. To endure, we must quickly identify and discard any unnecessary weight that could slow us down. At the same time, however, we do not want to cast aside loads that we should carry. Otherwise, we could disqualify ourselves from the race.
Jesus said to them, while the bridegroom is with them, the friends of the bridegroom have no reason to fast, do they? As long as they have the bridegroom with them, they cannot fast. But days will come when the bridegroom will be taken away from them, and then they will fast on that day. Nobody sews a patch of unshrunk cloth on an old outer nation, being thoroughly grieved at the insensibility of their hearts, he said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." And he stretched it out, and his hand was restored. At that the Pharisees went out, and immediately dogs. But she replied to him,
Yes, sir. And yet, even the little dogs underneath the table eat of the crumbs of the little children.
At that he said to her, "Because you said this, go. The demon has gone out of your daughter. To the Sea of Galilee, through the region of Decapolis."
Okay,
Here
we
they
are
brought him a
close.
deaf man with a speech impediment, and they pleaded with him to lay his hand on him.
Alright, we are about to exit. And it's been a long drive. We need to find some place where to take a breakfast. Hidden Valley exit here in Norco, California. There we go. It's been a long time. Music naman tayo, music. McDonald. Okay, so I finally arrived, and I'll go for breakfast McDonald. Okay, so I just parked, so let's go find some breakfast.
Morning. Just curious, what is that gadget?
This is the Osmo Pocket 3.
Oh, GoPro?
Correct.
Oh, man, that's tiny.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool. Oh, it's got the camera in the front?
right here, camera,
Awesome.
and this is the,
That's pretty cool.
yeah,
I like that. How much is that?
at least about 700 plus or minus.
I'll stay with my phone.
with all the gadgets combo.
That's pretty cool. And it's got like a sensitive motion on it.
Sometimes, you know, just like me also, like, it's kind of expensive, right?
Yeah.
But getting some videos, photos about the events in life is priceless.
It's only money.
You can actually lose 1,000 easy,
That is true.
but something of a remembrance for a lifetime. And you can take this anywhere. Yeah.
That's the newest model?
This is the latest, yeah.
Okay, I'm not looking.
Yeah.
I like it.
Because just the way your thinking is just like mine. But hey, how long will I still be here on Earth?
We never know.
Right? Why, I will leave my money to other people? No. Yeah.
You have a nice day, sir.
All right. Have a nice day.
Very nice.
I like that too.
Thank you. I hope I parted some words of wisdom.
You have a great day.
All right. Okay. Here we are at McDonald. Ayos lang. Ha? Sige. Okay. Naka-order na, so I'm just waiting. Yan ang aking table number. Ito na ang aking na-order. Okay, after breakfast, here we back. Going to the assembly hall. All right, so all right, let's see. There we go again. Assembly time. Here I come. There we go. Okay, we are about to enter the assembly hall. Morning, morning. You're doing a good job, brother. All right. Morning, morning.